Hi guys, I'm back with another appliance tutorial, and this one is going to be for a refrigerator. I'm not going to do a side-by-side. I'm going to do just a regular old refrigerator with the freezer on top and the refrigerator part on the bottom. And I am just using one of these tall boxes from my favorite place in the USPS boxes, and you can use any box. This says it's a shoe box, and it is let's see, it's not quite 7.5 by 5 1/4 by 14 3/4. So if you've got 7.5 by 5.5 by 14, you'll be fine. This is going to close when everything is said and done. So you'll need to tape up the bottom, and then I believe I have from an extra one, I cut a what's going to be a shelf. I'm going to cut a door out, and then I will use this extra piece to make a shelf or multiple shelves. But what I want to do is separate the freezer from the refrigerator part. So I'm going to cut out one complete door, not too far to the edge because you don't want it falling off. In this case, if I can fold this down. In this case, you might want to leave as much space as is the writing from the top, to ensure that it doesn't completely tear the, you want the integrity of the box to remain. So as long as you keep as much space as between there and the white, you can start cutting at the top here, and then maybe use this red line as your guide. Just go ahead and draw all the way down, and that will ensure that you have a good sized door without any ripping or tearing to your box. And then you'll just open like so, and then you can always leave the one door, or you can cut this in half so that you have a separated freezer and refrigerator on the outside, or you can just leave it as one and then just have it separated on the inside with your shelves. If you do this, you're going to need the heavy duty, not the cheap stuff. It's got to be heavy duty so it can withstand hot glue and tape. So I just covered the entire interior, and then I covered 2 shelves, and I covered the interior door with foil. And I just hot glued underneath each shelf, just hot glued inside to make sure that they were secure and they weren't going anywhere. Alright, and here is Julie with her refrigerator, and as you can see, it stores see if I can zoom in there. She's got milk and juice and some fruit down in the bottom. And I did not add anything to the door like a butter or an egg compartment, because I didn't want to add any more weight to the door, otherwise it would buckle, and I just wanted it to be as as straight as possible. But you can see there's it's deep enough to store a lot of things. So it's been painted, the entire thing has been painted the matching avocado green, and it actually, let me set this down right here, you can see it actually just closes by itself, and I didn't have to do a latch or anything, which is nice. So it just has one long handle that I put for foil around for the front, and it's great to hold all of her items. So very easy, simple project. So thanks guys for watching. Any questions, just leave them below. Thanks, bye-bye.